Hello bachcho, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start with the light chapter and we have already covered two portions of it, laws of reflection and the type of mirrors we have. We have a plane mirror also we have covered in last video and how we can draw the spherical mirror. So today we are going to discuss further in spherical mirror. Spherical mirrors are basically two types. Spherical mirrors are two types. Concave and convex. Concave mirror and convex mirror. Convex mirror. Okay. So first you need to understand what is a spherical mirror. What we have done, we have cut out the part of the sphere, and that is then we have polished it one surface and the other part is in which the image is forming. Okay. So spherical mirror is whose reflecting surface is curved. Reflecting surface is curved. Okay. That is called a spherical mirror, and we have two types of mirrors. So I am drawing it here. You can check it out. First one is like that. This is your mirror aperture, and it is polished from one surface, and the other surface we have a image formation. Okay. And the other one is like that, polished inside. This is the symbol of polished. Now we can see the reflecting surface is where? Inward, curved inward. Okay. So I can write down very important point, the reflecting surface is curved inward in concave mirror. Is curved inward. Okay. What about this convex mirror? The reflecting surface is curved outward. Reflecting surface is curved outward. Okay. I hope you get it. And the concave mirror is also because it is converge the light rays because of the inward curve. So it is also called converging mirror. We call it converging mirror. And this one is called diverging mirror because it diverges the light rays. Diverge means फैलाना. Converge means एक तरफ अंदर के साइड converge करना. Diverging mirror is your convex mirror. Okay. Mirror we are talking about today. So if we are talking about the ray diagram now, so let's talk about the ray diagram. Do you understand now what is concave and convex mirror? Now if I am drawing the same diagram again of concave mirror, this is your concave mirror and this will be your principal axis. So what we can say, this is your polished part and the other part is reflecting part. You know that, right? So this is your concave mirror. Concave mirror. Because the reflecting part is inside. So how we can remember? If you enter the cave, you can see. Okay. Like you are entering the cave. Concave. Cave about the concave mirror and rules to making ray diagram by concave mirror. Okay. So how we can do that? Let's find out. First, what we need to do, we need to draw the aperture. So we will draw the aperture like that. This is your concave mirror, polished outside and curved inside, reflecting surfaces inside. Then we have to draw the principal axis. Let's do the principal axis like that. Then there is some point C, there is another point F, and this is called pole, and this line is principal axis. You have to mention it here, principal axis. Not principal axis, principal. Okay, principal axis. The first rule is the first rule is very easy to understand. I am writing down here rule number 1. A ray is a light ray. parallel. Do you know what is parallel? Parallel lines to the principal axis. Principal axis will pass through the focus after reflection. Pass through the focus after reflection. So what is that? Let me draw the line for you better understanding. So I will use some different color for that, maybe like that. So if light ray is coming like that, okay, and it is parallel to the principal axis, it will always pass through focus like that. So it will always pass through focus. Okay, you can also draw the normal. Normal is always coming from the center of curvature like that. Okay, with respect to this will become angle I and the other one become R, and this is normal line you can draw. Okay, so this is your first rule. Now we will go ahead with the second rule. So second rule is like that. Rule number 2. What we can write down here, rule number 2 is, you can write down with me. A ray incident through focus after reflection, it is parallel to principal axis, just opposite to that first rule. Okay, after reflection, it will parallel to principal axis. Principal axis. Okay, so what is this rule all about? Suppose if light ray, we have to draw the diagram again. Let me draw it. A very bad sphere. Okay, so this is that P, and this point is F, this point is C. A light ray which is coming and passing through the focus like ray, it is a straight line, so it will goes parallel to the principal axis. So when it will comes like that, it will goes parallel to the principal axis. Okay, the third rule is very simple to remember. A light ray passing from the center of curvature, so it is like a normal, passing from the normal. So a ray pass through center of curvature is reflected back on the same path. How we can do it? Because the line passing from the center of curvature joining the aperture is nothing but a normal. So light ray coming on the normal line, back going back on the normal like that. Okay, so let me show you how we can do that. This is your principal axis. Okay, this is your point F, this is your point C. A light ray coming from what? Passing from C. So we will pass it from the C and it will strike the mirror and it will reflect back. Okay, because the normal will also lie in the same line. So normal, it is nothing but a normal line. Okay, so this is the third rule. I hope you understand what we have to do. The fourth rule you need to remember is very important. Fourth rule is a ray incident on a pole this is your pole is reflected making equal angle. How it is possible? Very simple, because the line passing from the center of curvature joining the aperture is nothing but normal. So this is also an application like that. This is your concave mirror. and this is your principal axis. First mention this is pole, the another one is F, the another one is C. This distance is called focal length small f, and this distance is called radius of curvature. It is double. Okay. Now what we need to do, let me rub them. This strike here on pole, so it will goes like that. The arrow is showing like that. Okay, arrow will define you. This is angle I, this is angle R, and angle I should be equal to angle R. So equal to angle R. That's the fourth rule. I hope you understand that. Okay. Now we will understand the ray diagrams for the formation of images in concave mirror. Okay. So for better understanding, you have to revise this 4 concept first, then we will go ahead with that in next video. Okay. Thanks for watching.